So today is the first episode that is going to be a little bit different. That's not going to be a vlog on this show. And today's episode is actually going to be a first look. It's not really a review because I just got this item, but it is going to be a first look. It is going to be an unboxing. It is going to be an impressions video. So without any further ado, I hope that you enjoy my first non-vlog irregular episode of this show. Let's go. This time we're going to be unboxing my new microphone. So before this I had a Rode VideoMic Pro. Something happened to it, it broke. I'm not in the United States right now, so I can't send it in for warranty. I will do that in September, but right now I need a replacement microphone that I can hopefully use later on so that it's not a waste of money. I didn't want to buy a super expensive one, so I went for this guy, which is the Rode VideoMicro, I believe is what it's called. I ended up paying about 40 British pounds for this with free shipping to Latvia, believe it or not, on amazon.co.uk. And let's see. To make it completely clear, right now I'm not using any mic, just a stereo, built-in mics in the 6D Mark II, and this took about a week to arrive. So there it is. There's the box. It seems open. It's just a little damaged, there's a little stab mark, but nothing too major. So let's get that open. Alright, there we go. Take that out. Boom. And this is the plastic packaging. Pretty low-key, simple, nothing extra, nothing more than you need. Oh wow. There's the microphone. There it is right here. And it's so small. It's so small. I'm used to the Rode Mic Pro, which is way bigger than this. This is the mount. Look at that. There's just one. There's not two, just one. It's so small and light. It doesn't need any more than that. I guess this is the whole thing. The only other stuff in the box, we got a little, oh look at that. We got a little instruction manual. So that's cool. And we got the classic Rode 3.5mm connector. Now keep in mind, this will work with the Rode mic and with your DSLR, but this will most definitely not work with a smartphone and this mic. You need an extra adapter that instead of having 2 pins will have 3 pins if you want it to work on your cell phone as well. And this is, I believe, the only Rode mic that in the package includes the dead cat, which reduces wind noise when you're outside. Just put it on like this, pretty sturdy. And this right here, this is the entire final package. This is all you get. I'm so excited to test this out. So this whole time you were listening in the built-in stereo mics. So when we put this guy on top, pop it on, tell me if it sounds any better. Let's see. Alright, now you're listening to the Rode VideoMicro. Yeah, again, I think it's $59 on Amazon in the United States, 42 pounds I believe in Europe if you were to buy it on the UK's Amazon. And this is the sound that you're gonna get. I am actually quite far away, I'd say about 6 feet away. So if you decide you need to vlog with this mic, this is exactly what it'll sound like right now. I do believe that it sounds pretty good. I know it won't sound like a Rode Pro or anything, but still, there's no batteries. You don't have to turn it on. That's all it is. The pickup pattern picks up the front, a little bit of the sides, and none of the back. All the other Rode mics pick up at least something in the back, so that could be a plus or a minus depending on what you use this for. So let's go give it a little bit more of a real world test out in the wind, outside, outdoors, if you will. See if it sounds as good as you need it to. And yeah, real world tests are always better than something done inside. So I'm not like 100% sure on whether I like this space or not yet, this new like co-op office thing. They offer like a monthly subscription type of thing. Because otherwise if you pay every time you come it becomes really expensive, and I have exactly 1 month left here, so I am trying to decide on whether that would be a necessary thing. The office overall it was pretty good, but there was I wish there was a little more energy. There weren't very many people. There's like 2 people there the whole time. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you subscribe because I am here every single day. Every single day. Can you believe that? Every single day. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow with another exciting episode. Bye bye.
We just need some room to breathe. We got mouths, we got